Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the impact of social media on youth. Number 1. Social media helps youth stay connected. Number 2. It is popular for sharing photos and videos. Number 3. Youth use it to chat with friends and family. Number 4. It helps in learning new things. Number 5. Many use it to show their talents. Number 6. Social media can inspire creativity. Number 7. Too much use can harm health. Number 8. Some people face cyberbullying online. Number 9. It spreads both good and bad information. Number 10. Parents should guide proper usage. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.